Hey friends, welcome back to my 2-minute tut series. How do you create those beautiful vertical catch lights that you see on so many Hollywood actors' headshots by these top portrait photographers? Easy, with 2 whiteboards, 2 speed lights, and that's it. Here's how. Play tape. Okay, here we go. 2 minutes on the clock. You'll need a couple of cheap lighting stands and 2 whiteboards measuring about 4 feet by 2.5 feet. Position them about 7 to 8 inches apart, angled in towards each other. About 35 degrees is good and placed with just enough gap for the camera to shoot through. Next, place 2 unmodified speed lights shooting directly to the middle of the whiteboards and angled perpendicular to them. That part is important, which I'll explain shortly. Position the model about 1 foot in front of the speed lights and 2 to 3 feet from the whiteboards. I'll be using an 85mm lens set to f6.3, 250th of a second and ISO 100. Both flash units will fire the same output at around a 16th power. You'll notice that one of my speed lights is a bit bigger than the others, so I'll have to stop down to compensate for the extra power. But all we need to do now is shoot the thing. The benefit of bouncing flash off of whiteboards is incredibly soft light. And angling the unmodified flashes away from the model and perpendicular to the card will create additional rim light effects on the back of the head and shoulders. But without that angle I mentioned before, there will be too much light spill on the face, resulting in blown out highlights. The outcome on the eyes are these beautiful vertical catch lights, which have a very distinct look that many pro level photographers like to use in their headshots. They have an almost cat-like quality and make the eyes jump right off the page. A really simple and cheap way to get striking catch lights in your headshots, which will have Hollywood knocking at your door. What? Brad's on the phone. Yeah, I'll call him back. So that's it, my 2-minute tut series episode 2 complete. Ta-ta.